Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Android 6, 0 or newer and about 500 MB free. This ensures the keyboard and stickers install cleanly. Once done, install Disney Emoji Blitz from Google Play so your account and emoji pack exist. Make sure system settings allow app installs or that Play Store permissions are enabled. This prevents interruptions. Now open the Disney Emoji Blitz app and sign in, because the keyboard option appears only after the app registers your account and downloads emoji assets. You go to Settings to enable the keyboard, navigate to System, Languages and Input, then Virtual Keyboard. Once there, tap Manage Keyboards and toggle the Disney Emoji Blitz keyboard on. Android prompts you about full access. Grant it so emojis and themes load. Next, choose Current Keyboard and switch to Disney Emoji Blitz to activate it system-wide. This step links the app's emoji assets to your input method, so you can paste stickers into messages and use themed suggestions in any chat app. You finish by customizing the keyboard inside the Disney app. Pick themes, download additional emoji packs, and enable sound or vibration if desired. Then test the keyboard in Messages or another chat app. If emojis don't appear, clear the Disney app cache and restart your phone, because temporary files often block asset loading. If problems persist, update or reinstall Disney Emoji Blitz to restore missing components. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure the keyboard has full input permission, otherwise emoji insertion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.